So I've got the 5 liter, prepping it up to drop it into the Ranger, make sure everything's going to fit up right. But I need to take care of the idler pulleys on the accessory drive. That one's not so bad, but the other ones were nasty. Well, rather than go and spend, I think it's $30 for the two idlers to smooth in the grooved, and then the tensioner is another 50 to 70, depending where you're at. Say $100, all right. And I'm too cheap for that. It's the bearings that are messed up on them. The tensioner is the only one that might need to be replaced down the road. So I knocked out the old bearings, blew this one on the top. Anywho, you get real close on them. I doubt the camera will pick it up, but it might. We'll see when I'm looking at this later. But there's a part number on them. Anywho, get that part number, look up the next closest match, and buy it online. Wound up getting, what is it, a 4-pack? I think it cost me $12, $13 shipped to the door. So what I did was, knocked out the old guys, pressed it into the new one, reused the old pulley, and I got maybe $3 in fixing this. Take it back, throw it on this sucker. I don't remember which one it goes. We'll figure it out here in a spell. It goes right here. And I guess that's a much cheaper way than replacing all this stuff. Sometimes you can fix what you have and just reuse. Better than having some old Chinese pulley or some plastic pulley they're going to send you as a replacement. So, be cheap like me and save $1.